Introducing our newest product, the perfect solution for your everyday car needs. Designed with all the well-cleaning needs, the Driver's Essential Pack offers unmatched benefits for your day of needs. See you at our next event on July 11th, 2026. Link in the description of this video. The 1957 Ford Ranchero made automotive history by creating a whole new category of vehicle in America. Inspired by Ford Australia's popular utility vehicles, it combined the comfort and styling of a passenger car with the practicality of a pickup truck, years before the Chevrolet El Camino entered the market. Built on Ford's full-size station wagon platform, the Ranchero offered a smooth ride while still being capable enough for work around the farm or job site. Buyers could choose from economical 6-cylinder engines or powerful V8s, making it as versatile as it was stylish. Nearly 22,000 were sold in its first year, proving Americans loved the idea of a vehicle that could handle work during the week and cruise in comfort on the weekend. Today, the 1957 Ranchero remains an icon of classic Ford design and one of the most recognizable car-truck hybrids ever built. The 1964 Plymouth Valiant Signet represented the most luxurious version of Plymouth's dependable compact car during one of its most successful years. After the Valiant debuted in 1960 with bold, futuristic styling, Plymouth completely redesigned it for 1963 with cleaner body lines that appealed to a wider audience. By 1964, the Signet trim sat at the top of the lineup, featuring premium touches like bucket seats, upgraded trim, deluxe wheel covers, and optional sporty features that gave buyers a more refined driving experience. Under the hood, buyers could choose the legendary Slant 6 engine, known for its incredible reliability, or the newly introduced 273 cubic inch V8, bringing surprising performance to the compact platform. The Valiant's success also laid the foundation for the Plymouth Barracuda, which shared much of its engineering when it debuted later that same year. Today, the 1964 Valiant Signet is remembered as a dependable, easy-to-maintain classic that helped bridge the gap between practical transportation and the emerging performance era of the 1960s. The 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner was one of the most ambitious production cars of the 1950s, showcasing technology that seemed decades ahead of its time. Originally envisioned for Ford's luxury Lincoln division, the retractable hardtop concept was ultimately brought to the Fairlane, giving everyday buyers access to an engineering masterpiece. At the touch of a button, a complex system of electric motors, switches, and hydraulics folded the all-steel roof neatly into the trunk, a process that amazed crowds wherever the car appeared. The mechanism required more than 600 feet of wiring and dozens of moving components, making it one of the most sophisticated American production cars of its era. Although the folding roof sacrificed nearly all of the trunk space when lowered, buyers were captivated by its futuristic design. Produced for only 3 model years, the Skyliner remains one of Ford's greatest engineering achievements and stands today as a lasting symbol of America's jet age, when innovation and bold ideas defined the automotive industry. The BMW 3 Series F30, produced from 2012 through 2019, became one of BMW's most successful sports sedans and quickly established itself as one of the most popular modern platforms for enthusiasts looking to modify their cars. Built with a perfect balance of luxury, practicality, and performance, the F30 introduced a lineup of turbocharged engines that responded exceptionally well to aftermarket tuning. One of the first upgrades many owners perform is replacing the factory plastic charge pipe with a stronger aluminum version, as the original component is known to crack under increased boost pressure. From there, software tunes like BootMod 3 or MHD can unlock impressive horsepower gains without opening the engine, transforming the car's performance with nothing more than an ECU flash. Enthusiasts often pair these tunes with upgraded intercoolers, high-flow downpipes, and performance exhaust systems to maximize both power and reliability. Suspension is another major focus for the F30 community. Many owners feel the factory ride height leaves too much wheel gap, leading them to install lowering springs or fully adjustable coilovers. Combined with wider aftermarket wheels and performance tires, these upgrades significantly improve both the appearance and handling characteristics of the sedan. Visually, the F30 has become equally recognizable in the modification scene. Popular upgrades include gloss black M-style kidney grills, carbon fiber front splitters, rear spoiler lips, M-Sport bumper conversions, smoked or LCI-style LED taillights, and carbon fiber interior trim. Many owners also update the iDrive system with larger displays featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving the cabin a much more modern feel. The F30 competes directly with several other highly respected enthusiast platforms. Its closest German rival is the Audi A4 and S4, while the Volkswagen Golf GTI and Golf R offer similar turbocharged tuning potential in a hatchback package. Japanese competitors like the Infiniti Q50 deliver effortless twin-turbo power, while the Lexus IS attracts buyers seeking luxury with legendary reliability. Despite the strong competition, the F30 continues to stand out thanks to its combination of everyday comfort, impressive tuning potential, and one of the largest aftermarket communities in the luxury sports sedan market.